Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy JRE, and right now we're about to check out Jimin Like Crazy official MV that is just now released. Whatever you saw in the beginning, don't worry about it. Just play my intro. All right, I don't know. Anyways, Jimin Like Crazy just came out. I'm ready to check this out. Thanks for showing love on the last reaction for Jimin's Set Me Free Part 2. Set Me Free Part 2 was such like in your face type of ish. I feel like Crazy is gonna be on the softer side. That's why I said it the last time too. But let's see how this goes. Let's see. Just take a little gander, you know what I'm saying? Guys, be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Like this video for Jimin. Tell me in the likes of this video how much you love Jimin. Alright, without further ado, I'm not ready. Let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Captions on. Boom.
I think we could last forever.
Ooh, why in the ASMR?
I'm afraid that everything will disappear.
Oh, that's, yeah, I mean, true.
Just trust me.
Going inside his eye? Oh, never mind. This is what hey, listen. Hey, sing some soft voices in my ear like that any time of the day, Jimin. What you say? What you trying to say to me? Is it? Whoa! What in the Resident Evil look? Wait, like the Resident Evil. If you know what you know. Ooh. Got that retro vibe. I see. Gets drunk and never comes. Never comes. Ooh. Okay, we in this vibe. We drinking. Cliche story. Imagine being so dope and incredible and iconic that you get carried out from the club. Ooh. Oh no, he going through it. Oh, he trying to get over something. Hey, listen, Jimin. You asked for a good ride. I'm gonna just let you know. It's not me. I mean, it's not me though. Moving on. But if you want a good ride. Ooh. It got me like some Sade kind of feel. Like that retro feel. Ooh. I really like the instrumental production. This is some late night drive type of music for real. Ooh. Oh, okay, I mess with this even heavier, I feel, than Set Me Free. But Set Me Free's instrumental is just like an anthem. Set Me Free Part 2, by the way. Real talk, I feel like in the club, if you like tipsy or drunk enough, it do look like this. Everybody's a blur. And then you as adults, you just like, find a certain somebody that's into you, and then you go home with them maybe sometimes, and then you wake up and you're like, oh my god, what happened? And you're like, whoa, how did I meet you? Because you don't remember because you be tipsy and shit. Kids, drink responsibly, or don't drink at all. It's not really that worth it. Alcohol's aight. Ooh. What? I thought he was scooting. He is the wait, what is this? I got This bathroom is fake. Damn, this is trippy. Damn. I feel like this is like, this is kind of how it feels to be a third wheel, low key. You know, just people making out in front of you while you got nobody right now. Hey, listen. Hey, if you want that good ride, I'm just letting you know, Jimin. I'm sorry. I know there's like a very sad song right now, or like him going through some stuff, but his lips, bro. What? What? Y'all see this? Y'all see them lips? Wait. Shh. Who am I shushing? I'm not shushing anyone. Jeez, I'm weird. I'm sorry. Jimin, if you ever see this, I'm sorry. But hold up. God dang, bro. Some kissable lips. I'm just letting you know. Here's the ASMR again.
What's the point?
I don't know. Oh no, his hand's been tainted. You know what, Jimin? If you were to do that to my face, I would say thank you. Anybody else that would do that, I will. Bro. But Jimin, do it.
I think we could last.
I think we could last forever.
I'm afraid that everything will disappear.
This what movie is that from? Is that Leonardo DiCaprio? Is that Titanic? Oh, the beginning just hits. Real talk. Look at this man. Look at this. Just want to do one of these. It's gonna be okay. 2 for extra luck. You know what I'm saying? What, y'all don't kiss the homies? If you don't kiss the homies, I don't know what you doing. This part's crazy to me. It does remind me of like Resident Evil. If you guys ever play like the newer Resident Evils, it's kind of like the fungus that grows in the game. Love that he went the retro vibe too. Like in the club scene kind of retro, like back in the like 80s. Bet money everybody's gonna have this haircut like in 2 days. Like he's having a good time, but he's going through some shit, no? Drink your problems away. He's Jimin, everybody loves him. But you were, you know. Damn, I always wanted to be carried like that. That's kind of crazy, but I think I'm too heavy. That's a fire shot, even though the whole bathroom was fake the whole time. What's real? That's an interesting shot to me. Ooh, okay, makeup. I really think that when you're drunk and tipsy in the club, this is the this is how it feels. Like crazy. What I expected. This is what I actually expected from the first part. That Set Me Free was like, God, and then this part is just like softer Jimin. It sounds like a sadder Jimin, basically, like what he's been like, just going through something. I don't know specifically. You guys could put in the comments down below what it is. But this gives me, it just makes me more interested. After Set Me Free, very big anthem, then Like Crazy, very retro and soft. Not soft like as in soft like ballady, but it's like very just retro. Alright y'all, put in the comments down below what you guys think of Like Crazy by Jimin. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to join the Discord. I'll be Twitch streaming tomorrow at like 4 p.m. PST, K-pop and chill. Please come and join that. It's always a good time. And yeah, please tell me. I want to know what your honest opinions on this song. So put in the comments down below, please. And yeah, till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.